Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Alright, let's tackle one of the most annoying problems for a Spotify user on Windows, error code 3. You know the one, that something went wrong message that just kills your vibe when you're trying to listen to your playlist. If you're seeing this, don't worry. It's almost always a connection issue that we can fix. I'm gonna walk you through the steps that actually work, starting with the easiest ones first. First up, close Spotify down completely. And I mean completely. Check down by your clock in the system tray. If you see the Spotify icon, right-click it and hit quit. Now, let's flush out any old network data that might be causing a hiccup. Press your Windows key, type Command Prompt, but this time, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. You gotta do it as admin, so click Yes when it asks for permission. In that black window, we're gonna type 3 quick commands. Just type them in one by one and press Enter after each. First, IP protocol configuration /flushtons. Then, IP protocol configuration /renew. And finally, netsh winsock reset. After that last one, it'll probably tell you to restart your computer. Go ahead and do that. Let it fully reboot. Once you're back in, let's clear Spotify's own cache. Press your Windows and our keys together. In the little run box that pops up, type exactly this, %appdata%, and hit OK. That'll open up a folder. Look for the Spotify folder and open it. Now, just select everything inside that folder and delete it. Don't worry, this is just temporary stuff. Your music is safe. Now, try opening Spotify again. Hopefully, that did the trick. If you're still seeing the error, no sweat. Let's move on to the next thing. Sometimes, your firewall decides to block Spotify after an update. Let's go check that. Press your Windows key and just type Firewall. Open up your Windows Defender firewall settings. On the left, click where it says Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. You might need to click Change Settings up top if it's grayed out. Now, scroll through that list and see if you can find Spotify. If you find it, make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. If it's not even on the list, click Allow another app, browse for it, and add it. It's usually hiding in AppData, Roaming, Spotify. Click OK, and give Spotify another try. Still nothing. Okay, the next big culprit is often a VPN or a proxy. If you're running any VPN software, like Nord, Express, anything, you need to fully quit it. Not just disconnect, but close the program entirely. Then, let's check your proxy settings. Press Windows and R again, and this time type inectable.cpl and hit Enter. Yeah, it's a weird one. Go to the Connections tab and click LAN Settings down at the bottom. Here, make sure Automatically Detect Settings is checked, and absolutely make sure Use a Proxy Server for your LAN is not checked. Click OK, and OK again. Try Spotify again. If you're still with me, that means we need to do a clean reinstall. This makes sure we get rid of everything. First, uninstall Spotify the normal way through your apps and feature settings. Then, we need to clean up the leftovers. Press Windows and R, type %appdata% again and hit OK. Delete the entire Spotify folder you see in there. Now, go back one folder so you're just in AppData. Open the local folder, and if you see another Spotify folder in there, delete that one too. Restart your computer. Then, just go to spotify.com and download a fresh installer. This clean slate almost always works. And finally, if by some crazy chance you're still stuck, there's one more advanced thing we can check. It's a long shot, but it has fixed it for some people. It involves a system file called the hosts file. We need to open Notepad as an administrator. Press your Windows key, type Notepad, right-click it, and run it as admin. Click Yes to the prompt. In Notepad, click File, then Open. Now, navigate to your C drive, then Windows, then System32, then Drivers, then etc. Down in the bottom right, change the file type from text documents to all files. Now you'll see a file just called hosts. Open it. In this file, you're looking for any line that has the word Spotify in it. If you find one, just put a pound or hash symbol at the very beginning of that line. That comments it out and disables it. Then, save the file, close everything, and restart. That should do it. I know that was a lot, but one of those steps is almost guaranteed to get you back to your music. For most people, it's the first or second method. If this worked for you, it would mean the world to me if you could hit the like button on this video. And subscribe to the channel for more straight-talking tech guides that actually fix your problems. Let me know in the comments which step finally did the trick. Thanks for watching. This is Samuel, signing off.